Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change screen resolution in Windows 11. So right click anywhere, then click on display settings. Now here you will see the option display resolution. So here you can change and you can select as recommended. In my case it's 1080 is recommended. It can be different in your system. And in the scale select recommended like 100%, 150. So make sure select as recommended. Now exit and restart. You can change brightness and also you can change night light. So thanks for watching.